What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in this video, it is a challenge, the no burp challenge. So if you want to see if me and my daughter can handle this challenge, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, it's the no burp challenge. I found this challenge through Bishop's Corner. I will be linking his channel down below. I invited myself to this challenge and he didn't mind. So me and my daughter, we went out and got us some 2 liters. You know, me and my Pepsi.
And me and my root beer.
And she got her some root beer. And we gonna see if we could do this, y'all. I don't know if I could drink a whole 2 liter without burping. My daughter's talking about she can. But we gonna see. So we thirsty, so we gonna jump right into this. Okay?
I need help.
You need help? Okay. She needs help, y'all.
Don't be trying to make that comment. Just go. I just need help because I'm not strong yet. But I'm gonna be hitting the gym. I'll be strong soon.
All right, y'all. We gonna open these. I don't know. And you know Pepsi's known to make people burp, but I couldn't get no other soda because I love Pepsi. I'm a Pepsi gal, okay? Let's see. Ooh. Get this open. This is big. I don't know if I could do this. Girl, you ain't got to chug. Calm down. Look at her. She trying, though. All right. Oh, I can't chug it neither. Ooh, see? Calm down, calm down. Slow your roll, girl. Uh-oh. I think I might have heard a bird.
No, I did not burp.
Okay.
I coughed. Okay.
Ooh, y'all. I don't know who started this challenge, but this is a lot of soda to drink without burping, so.
Yeah, it is. At least it wasn't the non-stopping challenge because I would already feel that.
Oh, yeah. You've been drinking more than me. Look, she got way more than me because she is chugging. Girl, I didn't chug like that.
My stomach, it feels mushy.
Mushy. Ooh. Y'all, I'm really trying not to burp, so I'm trying to take, trying to pace myself. Been an eventful day, busy day, but just trying to, get it going and do this challenge. Have some fun with my daughter. Oh my God, I feel it coming. Let me drink.
You need to drink.
Oh my goodness. So, yes, very eventful day.
This is good, but I feel it coming.
Don't burp on yourself, girl. Don't burp while you drink it. Don't spit it out. Oh my gosh, she's over here just laughing.
Oh my gosh. When I was laughing, my stomach.
I know, I'm full off of soda.
And we haven't even had that much.
I know. But we haven't burped yet. It's a burping challenge. Not tired challenge. Not, oh, my stomach hurt challenge. It's the burping challenge, and I haven't burped yet. Whew. We getting there. We getting somewhere. Getting closer to the blue line. Getting closer to the blue line.
Me too. I'm almost sorry.
Yep, you are. I know. Because Mama's trying to hold it together.
Me too. Because if I throw up, it's going to be ugly.
Oh my God.
Hopefully none of us throw up on this camera.
If we do, we can edit that. Huh? Edit! We start throwing up. Edit!
Yeah, cause that would look ugly.
Ring, ring, bing, a ling, ling. My dog, he trying to go outside, and we over here trying to do a challenge. He need to chill out for a second.
He looking at us like, what y'all doing?
Whew, y'all. My stomach is just like bloop, 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 bloop.
I can feel it
It's
coming
getting
in.
full of liquids.
I don't like this one. But I'm not giving up. Because once y'all get to the end and y'all watch, when this is the end of the video and you see all this all gone, go tell all the other people, all them grown-ups that couldn't finish it, tell them, send them to this video. See, look it, the kid drinks it all and the grown-up kid.
Well, you doing more talking than drinking, honey. Doing more talking than drinking. Whew, I'm feeling this burp, though.
Stomach.
Whew. Y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
I don't think I'm gonna make it because my stomach really hurts.
Yeah, you drank a lot. Oh my goodness. I don't know, y'all. This is hard.
I think I'm gonna pass because
Hardy bardy cadardy. My stomach feel like it wants to explode.
mine too.
You about to burp, huh?
No.
Ooh, let's lower these pants a little bit. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It's gonna come.
What? What's gonna come? You burnt. God.
Oh my God. I felt it. I've been holding it in. I kept forcing myself to drink every time I felt it, and this one was just like, oh my God, okay. So, I don't know how long that was. We made it in the challenge. But hey, we drank a quarter of our soda. Ooh, excuse
Hold
me.
on, let me see if I can drink a little bit more.
A quarter of the soda is pretty good. And she hasn't even burped yet, so she can keep going. I can't drink no more soda, okay? That is a lot. My stomach is like, ugh.
I like root beer, but root beer, stop hurting my stomach.
Stop hurting the stomach. I don't know. Let's see. You ain't burped. Your stomach just hurting.
Blah.
Oh, because it's all them liquids. Like, come on now. This is like, how can I fit all that in there?
I don't know, my stomach can just carry so little. I can't carry anything on my stomach. If I eat too much, it's gonna get up.
Well, let's see. Keep chugging, girl. Let's see what you can do, girl. Go Naya, 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 go, 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 go Naya, go Naya, go Naya, go Naya, go Naya, go. Woo! All right. She over here drinking that soda. I'm sorry. I'm not drinking anymore. I'm full. I could save some of this for tomorrow.
If
Tomorrow.
I finish more than the grown-ups do, then I am a winner. But
Is that a burp?
just like my stomach is hurting so
I
bad.
know. I bet it is. She got a tummy ache from the soda. Ooh.
I know.
Yeah, she just burped into her nose. It was like into her nose, y'all. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it burned. Ooh. She definitely drank more than me. Like by an inch, but she still drunk more than me. You burped already, girl, so this part don't count. Ah.
I'm a failure.
You're not failure. Well, this challenge was fun. We tried it out. We did not succeed. We could not drink a whole 2 liter without burping, y'all. So, comment down below if you like this video. If you want to challenge us to anything, go on and comment down below. As long as it's not too crazy, y'all. Come on now. And don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And until next time, stay fly and shine.
Feel just like a rock star.